This is a good opening shot here. This is very makeable. There you go.
Up and down
From,
side rails. Ang ganda
yeah.
ng balik dito ng bola.
Huwag lang
Kinay,
masyadong dumikit.
well, yeah, he didn't want that near to the 6, pero this is still manageable.
Marder na daw, sabi ni
That's
Albert
true,
Espinola.
that's true,
Tama
oo.
naman talaga yung sitwasyon nila dito.
Ito, malaking pagkakataon to para sa Makati Titans.
So he opted to just force follow the cue ball, pabalik dito, side pocket.
He has to put a real good touch on the cue ball, 2 rails. And
It's a good
yun
thing,
na
kita
nga.
pa din. Yeah, kung magkamali lang or mapasama lang yung contact doon sa 8 ball, baka pa nga maging harang pa tong 8 ball.
Anong
Kasalanan mo
nangyari?
yun, AJ. Kasalanan mo
Konting
yun.
pabuntis na tira lang naman. Oh, look at this.
Oh, great
Wow.
English. Look at that shot. Yun yung sinasabi natin, AJ, no? Dalawa lang sila. Pero pag nag-init tong dalawang to,
Yun na
they
nga.
can beat any complete team any night.
Pero yun nga, since Monday, hinahanap pa rin nila talaga yung ano nila arangkada.
Much needed rack para dito sa Makati Titans.